Peter?
Hello.
Oh, it's clear. Is Paul here?
Hi Paul.
You alright?
Yeah, I'm fine, thanks.
Very good. I'm just in Llangynhafal Church,
Yes?
and I was just wondering if you'd like to do a travelogue here. I've spotted some good shots.
Okay, when do you want to meet?
Well, anytime you like.
Greetings one, greetings all. Myself and Paul have come to the Church of Llangynhafal, the Church of Saint Cynhafal, near to the village of Ruthin, between Ruthin and Denby, really. And Paul, it's a very interesting church, isn't it? There's a feature here.
Yeah, there is a feature here. Somewhere nearby here, there's a well, and that well was used by Saint Cynhafal, where he used to minister to his congregation.
Very interesting.
Yeah. So a point to look out for.
In the meantime, I'll have a look to see if the church is open.
Yes, we have been surprised before. And we're surprised again it's not. This carving on the side of the church door is believed to be Saint Cynhafal.
And what we have here is the collection box. Paul, a nice little feature here, the war memorial on the church.
Very nice.
Yeah, and the first name that we see is of Edward Wynne, from Coed Coch in Llangynhafal, from the village itself. What's interesting is Edward Wynne, as I say, is from a very small village, one of 5 killed in the First World War. And he was killed in 1916 in France. I'm presupposing that he was killed on the Somme, because that was the Battle of the Somme raged from the 1st of July onwards till November. What's this?
That is a dead mouse. Tiny, eh? Got a little thing. What a fantastic place. I could sit here for hours.
A very nice bell tower, quite reminiscent of the bell tower at Llangynhafal Church, a couple of miles down the Vale of Clwyd. We also have the date of the church plastered on the front of the church, and the date is 1669.
Very old. I hope this cheeky chap's got nothing to do with that other poor one over there. Here we are in a new cemetery, which is quite a rarity these days because all the cemeteries are getting full and they're not replacing them.
What have we here, Paul?
This is what they call a hearse house. Do you know what that is?
I've got no idea.
Well, before they had motorised hearses of today, which we have today, they used to have it on horse and cart. So it was a horse-pulled hearse, if you like. And here we've got the grave of Edith Evans, and died 2nd of July 1942, aged only 29. So what have we got there, Peter?
You're not going to believe this. This is actually a loo.
Hey?
Come and have a look at this.
This is a nice area, isn't it? Apart from the bench.
And there we have it, Llangynhafal Church, the Church of Saint Cynhafal. What a fantastic little place. We've had a fantastic time. Join us again very, very soon. Bye.
In Barcelona, Spain, lost your trail while in Amsterdam. I picked it up on the Isle of Man. Took the ferry back to Liverpool, just looking for you know who. You disappear every time a flag unfurls. I just keep searching all around the world, all around the world, all around the world. Chase your skirt along the Champs-Elysees. I saw you, Sarah, down in Old Bombay.